Why y'all lie so much?
If I know something gonna make you mad, like why I don't want you to be mad.
Is a half truth a lie?
Yes!
I don't like when men do double standards on women.
Why y'all cheat so much? That's how a lot of things happen. Pregnancy, STDs.
I feel like girls don't mind about stuff like that.
All women don't like to be touched and groped and
Right. And even some men
stared
don't
at like
to
a
touch
piece
girl,
of
but
meat.
Why do you not put guys in the same box? Everybody makes mistakes along the path of perfection.
Why do guys hold on to their ex-girlfriends?
In a situation where your ex was your best friend, it may be a little difficult.
Y'all see these signs, like,
They still stay. But let me.
No, hold on. Let me tell you something. I'm quick to block a guy and keep it moving.
Stay. It has happened to me. I've lost my best friend.
those things take time to let go of.
You better learn how to aim perfectly. You don't miss holes, do you?
Y'all are the queens of gossip. Like it's just in y'all's blood.
I could never respect you if you're sitting around lying on a woman and saying that you slept with her.
Men are looking for women to take care of them. It's like, what a woman got. What can you do for
Ooh,
me?
why do y'all lock y'all mother phones? Why do some guys refer to women as hoes? I don't understand
And
it.
bitches. Guys be like, well, I can't find a job right now. It's hard out here, Donald Trump in office,
Come here, Blue.
What's up, Red? Come here, little Red. What's up?
You said what?
I got something for you. Baby, come to me. I will take care of you. I will pay all your bills.
Bye-bye.